Hello guys, welcome to my channel Live Tips and Tools. In this video I am talking about top 5 preventive measures while flying a drone. What do you say, preventive measure, or what say you can safety measure, what anything you can say. So friends, it is very important videos for those people who are flying a drone, homemade drone. Then there are many measures point in this video. So let's see what will happen. Number one, don't fly a drone for a long time. It means if the drone has no branded motor, it means such a local motors, then don't fly a drone for a long time, because it will decrease the life and quality of that motor, and your drone cannot work for a long time, or after sometimes your drone will also crash and the motor become burn out. So don't fly a motor for a long time, such as over 10 minutes or 15 minutes if your motor is not branded. But if you have branded motor, then you can fly a drone for a very long time, for the 20-25 minutes, 30 minutes, any more you want. Number two, don't over discharge the lipo battery. Friends, as we know that lipo battery is very sensitive, and if there is any kinds of over discharge or overcurrent, it means overflow, then the lipo battery becomes damaged, or sometimes burn out, or sometimes explode. So we have to take care, you have to take special care of the lipo batteries. And if the drone batteries, if you are flying a drone, then you have to regularly check the voltage of the lipo battery. So if the voltage of the lipo battery is less than 11.1 volt, then you have to charge the battery. Don't fly the drone after 11.1 volt charge. Number three, if you are a GPS user, it means if your drone has a GPS, then of course you give some mission to the drone for entertainment, or what you can say. So if you are giving a GPS mission, then this point is very important for you. If you are in a, it means urban, it means if you are in a city or town, then don't give a GPS mission less than 50-meter altitude, or over, give the mission which has a high altitude, it means about 50-meter, 100-meter, or 80-meter, but don't give less than 50-meter. If you give less than 50-meter, then sometimes your your GPS module become disconnected with the satellite and your drone become crash. My drone also crashed, so I am sharing my experience. So don't give the GPS mission which has a less than 50-meter altitude. So it's a very important point, so take care of this. And number four, don't place your hand in front of transmitter while flying a drone. Friends, if you are flying a drone more than 300, 400 or 500 meters, then don't place your hand or any object in front of your drone, because it will interfere a signal and your drone may lose the signal, and sometime your drone become crashed. So be careful. Number five, don't fly your drone at the high altitude. Friends, as we know that the transmitter has the range of between 600 meter to 1 kilometer. So in your mind you think that our drone can also go at the height, at the altitude, it means at a height of 1 kilometer or 600 meter, or you can say 700 meter. But when you fly a drone above at the altitude of 300 meter or 400 meter, then your throttle, it means your throttle does not work. After sometimes your throttle does not work, and your throttle goes out of control. It means drone automatically maintain your speed, and sometimes your transmitter signals goes out of control, but your ailerons and elevators work, but throttle goes out of control. And then you have to switch your mode to from the stabilize to the altitude, and again altitude and the stabilize, so you can take control. So don't over fly over altitude. And you can horizontally, you can fly 300, 400, 500, right? But don't fly over altitude about 200, 300 meter over altitude. So if you like the videos, then please do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos. Thank you, goodbye.